now legal in New York State. Questions over whether the NYPD will continue to random test its officers for pot use. And good evening, I'm Lori Stokes.
And I'm Steve Lacey. We got some mixed messages from the department today on the future of random marijuana testing within the force. Earlier today, a statement claimed that the policy was ending, but tonight the NYPD is walking back that decision. Teresa Priolo on the Upper East Side tonight to sort it all out. Teresa.
Yeah, certainly confusing, Steve and Lori. The NYPD tells us that they are in discussions with the city law department. They say for now these screenings will continue. This all circles back to a new law that was put on the book that basically makes it illegal to discriminate against anybody for using cannabis. The memo itself is confidential, but its impact could affect every New Yorker in need. The city's suggesting it should no longer screen cops and firefighters for marijuana drug use, either in a pre-employment capacity or in random screenings.
We have this law that started in 2021 that permitted people in all employment throughout the state to be able to use cannabis as long as they're outside the job and not exhibiting symptoms of cannabis on the job. There was an exception in that law for when you're receiving federal funding, which is probably how the city was not following the law for their employees to date. But the risk assessment is what my guess is why the city's changing their policy.
There are those who believe this change might be connected to recent reports of low recruitment numbers and the mass exodus of veteran members. The flip side to changing the policy might be the unintended consequence of having first responders showing up to work under the influence. Fox 5 reached out to the NYPD and FDNY, the mayor's office, and the city law department. Only the NYPD and city law department provided comment. Quote, while these discussions continue, there is no change in NYPD policies, procedures, or testing protocols regarding the use of marijuana by uniformed members of the service. The city law department confirmed their review and said communications between the law department and city agencies are confidential, and therefore we will not be commenting further. How this plays out is anyone's guess.
So how do you have someone whose job, particularly when it comes to police, is to enforce law that's violating law while enforcing law? It undermines all their legitimacy in the first place to be doing that.
Now, to put this into greater context, previously an officer would be fired immediately for testing positive for marijuana use. The memo does also point out, Steve and Lori, that cops can be tested for other drugs. That's the latest from the Upper East Side tonight. Back to both of you.
All right, Teresa, thank you. An appeals court.